Today I'll be unboxing the Jabra Elite 7 earbuds headsets. Let's go ahead and dive in. The Jabra Elite 7 comes in this nice little gray box. It's a very small, compact size. Let's take a look at what you get inside. So inside, you'll see the welcome, get started. You may want to download the Sound app. That's the Jabra Sound app, available on both iOS and Google. I personally find it very helpful if you do that prior to getting started. So go ahead and take a look at that. There's also the possibility of getting a 2-year warranty instead of the standard 1-year warranty. And what you'll want to do is also go to jabra.com and register for that extra year of warranty. Otherwise, you only get a 1-year warranty. So in the box, you have some instructions that show you exactly what you get with the earbuds and how you can go about charging it. And there's some really clear indicators, as well as how to get that Jabra Sound app. I'll go ahead and take the little wrapper, which also tells you to also go to download the Jabra Sound app so that you can get the latest features and updates. So let's take the items out of the box. Let's get the charger. You've also got some ear gels, and you've got a bunch of safety materials. Let's go ahead and put those to the side. So in the box, you've got these ear gels. You've got an extra cable. This is for charging purposes. So you do get a USB-C and the USB-A. So you'll plug that into a computer or a source that's USB-A, and then the charging source is USB-C. So you'll plug that right there. If you have a computer or some other charging unit, you'll be just fine. All right, so let's take a look at what you have here. You've got the standard Jabra earbuds in there. The Elite 7 are a newer breed. I have been using this for several days prior to this unboxing and can tell you that you're going to get a better fit if you haven't had a good fit in the past. Quite frankly, the earbuds have not been my favorite style of headset, simply because you don't get very good fit for those people that have small ears. And I am one of those people that does have small ears. Get that camera shot from over there. And you can see the item, but with small ears, you do have a hard time with a lot of these earbuds. I'm one of those in the past, and I've found that these have worked very well. You get a very good fit. You can take them right out of the charging case. The charging case gives you up to 30 hours of charge time. Out of the gate, you're going to get 8 hours of charge time with the Elite 7 earbuds. And you can see the form factor is very small. And if those particular ear gels are not to your liking, either too small or too big, you get an extra pair in the inside the box. So you've got larger and then smaller size in the box in case you either lose them or you want to customize your fit a little bit better. So what else do you have here? You have that USB-C. You have this very portable charging case, and you're able to use these independently. So that was a problem in the past with other earbuds. A lot of earbuds on the market do not allow you to use them independently. You can use the left or the right independently, and you're going to be able to talk out of either left or right if you have it in your ear. It recognizes which one is in your ear. One thing that I've found that I liked is that although you don't have any buttons on here, it does recognize you touching the sensors that are built in to mute, unmute. And with the Jabra Sound app, you're going to get a much better experience because you'll be able to customize what you get out of the left and the right ear. So if you want mute and unmute to be in the left, you can do so with the Jabra app, as well as using the ANC feature that's built in. Now, this Jabra Sound app also allows you to customize the ANC so that you can get either a higher level of ANC, all the way down to none, as well as the ability to hear through with the earbuds, so that if you're walking in, let's say, in a busy urban environment where there's cars and buses and you need to be aware of what's going on, the Jabra app allows you to do that, as well as the ability to know the exact battery status of each one of these earbuds, as well as the charging case, so that you know when you need to charge the charging case as well as either one of these earbuds. Well, that's all you get inside the box, but what I can also tell you in terms of features, the earbuds come compatible with Alexa and Google Assist, so you'll be able to use it with any iOS phone, as well as the Google Assist built in on many of the Google phones. In the way of features, what I would also say, you also get the ability to charge the earbuds in the case to get 30 hours. But one of the cool things is that if you charge it for 5 minutes, you can get 1 hour of talk time out of it. So that's kind of cool that you get quite a bit with such a small amount of charge time. And that's been an unboxing of the Jabra Elite 7 Active Series.